Speed ramping in Premiere Pro. To create a speed ramp, zoom in on the footage and right-click the FX icon and go down to the time remapping and click on speed. Next, hold the command button if you're on Apple or press the control button if you're on PC, then add a keyframe at the beginning and end of the section you want to ramp. To speed up or slow down the ramp, click and drag the white line to speed up the footage, or drag it down to slow it down. To extend the transition of your speed ramp, open up the faders to your preference. To readjust the duration of your ramp, you can move the keyframes by selecting the space in between the faders and moving it left or right. To fine-tune the speed ramp, click on one of the fader handles and use the Bezier handles on the keyframes to adjust the smoothness of the transition. This effect has a lot of customization and experimenting, so make sure you're always going back and previewing your footage to get the final look you're looking for. And that's it. That's how you speed ramp in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like this video for more real quick content.